So guys, to change your time and language, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you run this on the left hand side, you want to click on time and language. And then you want to click on language and region. And then once you run this, if you have your system language already installed, so I've got two right here, US and UK. Let's say that I want to make UK my main language, I'm going to drag this to the top. So if you already have it installed, drag it to the top if you want to change it to that. And you could also change your Windows display language as well to whatever you have over here. If you want to add in a new language that you do not have installed, then you want to click on add a language. And now this will come up. And now you want to type in the language that you want to install. Let's say that I want to install English Canadian. I'm just going to click on it and then click on next. You have some more options that you can choose from right here. I'm going to unselect all of them because I do not need it for myself, but you might want it, so it's up to you. And you could also set this new language as your Windows display language. So I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to tick this. And then when you're happy with all of this, you're going to click on install. And you're going to wait for this to load. It might take a while. And if you want to make your new language your preferred language, you're going to click on the three dots and then click on move up. Make sure that it's on the top of the list.